Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Pipefy. Pipefy is a business process automation platform that you don't need any coding and you'll be able to easily customize your workflow and so much more. If you are doing procurement, HR, or IT operations, this is definitely the platform for you. Whether you're a small business owner or a large business owner, you will definitely find tools on Pipefy that will help to increase your business conversion. Now to get started, all you'll need to do, once on pipefy.com, you can tap on Start for Free in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on Start for Free, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you can enter your work email. Then you will tap on Continue. After you have signed up, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, as you can see right here, they provide you with different templates. And by the way, while signing up with Pipefy, they will show you the different options or the different features that they offer. And depending on the features that you select that you would demand from Pipefy, they will offer you different templates on your dashboard, as you can see right here. Now, once you're here, you can get different templates by simply tapping on templates at the top of the page. Then you can see the different categories, as you can see right here. So for example, request management, and you can also select CRM from the left hand menu option. And from there you can see sales, CRM, or sales lead, qualification. It all depends what you want your workflow to be. So let's say, for example, I were to select business operations and select request management. After you have selected it, you can see right here, use this template, and you can scroll down and you can see what the template is about. Then you'll tap on use this template in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on use this template, you will be redirected to a new dashboard. And you can see that they are customizing our template for us. And you can see how it looks right here. From this section, all you'll need to do now is go over to the top right hand corner and you could tap on edit pipeline. After you have tapped on edit pipeline, from there you can make any changes you want. So for example, you can enter the request name, the request email, and the request title, as you can see right here. And you can also go over to the top left hand corner. You can add phrases if you want. You can add members if you want. Also, by tapping on members, you will be able to invite members onto your workflow by simply tapping on invite members. And if you would like to set up automations, you can do that by tapping on automations right here. You can set up automations by tapping on create automation at the bottom of the page. Once you have tapped on create automation, you'll be able to create your workflow automation right here. And once you're finished, you can tap on the X in the top right hand corner. And again, if you'd like to share this form, all you'll need to do is tap on share form from the top right hand corner. And from there, you can also embed the code if you would like to embed the form on your website. If you would like to get the URL, you can simply tap on copy link and you'll be able to share the form, as you can see right there. Now again, if you would like to add members, you can go over to the top right hand corner, tap on members, and you will be able to add members. If you would like to automate, you could tap on automate right there, and again you'll be able to create automations. And you can also integrate different apps. All you'll need to do is tap on integrate. Then from there you can tap on go to your zaps and you'll be able to integrate or run automated actions supported by Zapier. Now let's go back to the main dashboard. So we're going to go back to the home page. So let's tap on home in the top left hand corner. Once you have tapped on home, you will be redirected back to this page. And if you were to tap on tasks from the top left hand menu option, You will be redirected to this page. And now to create a task, all you'll need to do is tap right where you see customize from the left hand menu option. Then from there you can customize how the page looks. So for example, you can add a logo by simply tapping on choose file. You can also add a background. And to add your first task, you'll simply tap on task. Then from there you can enter the task name. Then you can also enter the description, for example, create a YouTube video. Then you'll tap on save. Once you have tapped on save, you will see pending right here. So you have a pending task. And then once it is finished, you'll see it go over to done. And you can also tap on interface from the top left hand menu option, and you'll be able to create your first interface. But at the moment you can see that they're currently under development and you may encounter some errors or bugs. And let's go back to the home page real quick. If we were to tap on home, once on the home page, what I want you to do, from here you can explore the different templates. So you could tap on team management, team task management better yet, and you can see how that workflow is set up, as you can see right here. So you can see an example, and you can edit this pipeline by simply tapping on edit pipeline in the top right hand corner. And you can add your new task by tapping in the bottom left hand corner. And from here you could enter the requester name. Then you can enter the task description and the due date right here. And after you're finished, you'll simply tap on new task at the bottom of the page to save your changes. But let's close out of that, and we're going to go back onto the home page. Now once on the home page, I want you to scroll down, and we're going to be exploring the database. So we're going to tap on create database. Then from there we are going to name our database. So I'll name it test. Tap on create new database. After you have tapped on create new database, you will be redirected to a new page. And you can see right here, start by adding fields to your record. Now to add fields, all you'll need to do is simply tap right where you see create record. So we are going to do that. Then tap on start creating. And from here you can add short text if you want by going over to the left hand menu option. As you can see right here, you can also add attachments, checkboxes, and so on. There are numerous fields that you can input by simply going over to the left hand menu option. And by tapping on members from the top left hand corner, again you can invite members if you want. And then you can also edit your database settings by tapping on database settings. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.